Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about our nested or inner frames in our playwright. Okay, how we can able to test it, and what is the nested frame is like in case if you have a website like this, and a website can have for n number of frames. Each frame can have for one single website. Okay, inside the frame again we can able to create another. This is our website and this is one frame and again one more. Okay, and this frame having for another frame inside that. Okay, this is called nested frame. While you are doing this particular one we have done for the last video, now we are going to do for this particular nested frame. What we can able to do it, first we need to go into this particular frame and we need to find how many child frames are presented in this particular frame. Once we can able to see the frames and then we can able to enter or click or anything operation we can do in a child. Okay, the similar format how we can able to do it. Okay, now how we can able to do it. Now here we need to 1 minute. Now we can see the page dot go to, and because go to we need to go for URL. Okay, so this I can use it for here. This particular website, and this particular website having four different frames, and here one more frame it is there. There one frame and again one frame it is there. If you want, you can see for inspecting this particular element, and here the cross center is present, right? If you expand again one more frame is there. You can see iframe inside a frame. This they have mentioned for the description of that particular frame. Okay, we can able to navigate in this location. We can able to identify. Okay, now I'm going to specify this URL, and then we need to specify some weight dot weight, and I'll give 4000 because we need to load for complete a weight, a page dot, a frame. Okay, in this frame what we need to unload, and this is the frame. Okay, because we are going to identify for third frame, and I'm copying this particular frame address. Okay, and I'm storing inside that URL, so URL colon and a single quotation. I'm specifying my URL. Okay, and then okay, and here we are able to specify the right, and now I want to enter something inside this text box. If you inspect this particular text box, there is a name attribute. Okay, now I'm going to take this entire name attribute. I'll create for CSS selector path. Okay, await which, not which, because we are in a going to the frame, right? For that we need to store the constant iframe. Okay, iframes, and that iframes a dot allocator. In this locator, I'm going to specify my locator. So this, okay, and that field. Okay, in this field, what I can do, I can to enter something value. Okay, and then we can check whether we are able to enter a value inside a frame or not. Okay, then we will see for how many values are presented inside the frame. We will check. Okay, now we will run and see whether we are able to enter a value inside the text box or not in a third frame. Now see we are able to enter a value inside the text box. Okay. Now we are able to enter, right? Now we need to find the child elements, whether the child frames, whether it is presented or not. How we can able to find it? And here we have a weight, iframes, a dot, a child frames. Okay, there is a child frames. These child frames it will provide you for a list of frames. What all the frames are presented? That list of frames are displayed. and we need to store inside a child underscore frames. Okay, and we are able to store, right? Now in this child, like we can able to see that there is a only one frame it is present. Can able to see that only one frame it is present. In it, this particular frame we can able to by navigating by using for URL one, like this how we are able to navigate it. The similar format we can able to navigate, like if you see frames, and if you curly braces URL, and again you can able to specify what type of URL you can able to specify like this, or you can able to specify for array of your child. Okay, my array is becoming 0 position. Okay, of which, and then we can able to specify the locator. What locator we can able to do it in this particular frame? We can able to click for this particular button, radio button. Okay, and you can see the path, and here it is presented. This is a class, and if you expand here also class is there, and the parent it is, you can see, and this is the parent. Okay, I5 is my ID. Okay, and I'm making for here hash 5. Okay, now you can see it is expanded and also it is presented here. Okay, now I'm going to take this particular class value, and I'm going to space a dot and then specify in the class. Okay, now this particular class I'll take and the path of this. Okay, and then I'm going to click for button. Okay, this is the way we can able to click a button. Now we are able to click this particular button or not, we'll see. Okay, now again I'm running. See, we are able to click this particular radio button, right? Like this, we can able to switch one window, and again we can able to change windows. We can able to click because we have on a single frame. That's why I specify for index position. Okay, child window. And if you have for URL, you can use for locator also. There is no issue. We can able to provide some locator, and we can switch into the child window, and we can do for any operation about inside the child frames. Okay, like this we can able to do, and the same code even you can able to run for see JavaScript as well. It will work for the same. Okay, so here we can see and can run this particular spec, and we can see just what are the code you using for TypeScript. The same script will help you to click like doing for operations the same in a JavaScript as well. Nothing much different. Both are similar format we can do. Okay, and like now our test case got passed. Okay, like this we can able to do it for frames switching by using for TypeScript and JavaScript. Okay, I hope it this information is for you. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.